Hello everyone, last class we saw about volume of cuboid and cube example problems. Today we will solve the exercise problems. So we will go to exercise 7.3. Last video itself I gave the first sum and seventh sum as homework. Hope you would have done that. Okay, now we will go to the second question. Okay, second question. What they have given? Let us see. The dimensions of a matchbox are 6 centimeter cross 3.5 centimeter cross 2.5 centimeter. These are the dimensions of the matchbox which they have given. Okay, so a matchbox எப்படி இருக்கும் ஒரு cuboid formatல இருக்க போகுது. So it will be of this format. Okay, so they have given the length, breadth and height. Okay, then find the volume of a packet containing 12 such matchboxes. So what is a packet? They are saying a packet consists of 12 matchboxes. And the 12 matchboxes இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு packet-ஓட volume கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So first we must find volume of one matchbox. ஒரு matchbox-ஓட volume கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So what is the formula for volume of cuboid? What is the formula? It is L into B into H. So it is direct multiplication. You can multiply. See here, it is also centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. You need not change any units. So directly multiply 6 into 3.5 into 2.5. Okay, 6 into 2.5 is 15. Okay, so it is 150. Okay, 2.5 into 6 are 25, 6 are 150. So it is 15 into 3.5. Okay, this will become, how much it will come? 450, 525. So it is 52.5. Okay, 52.5 centimeter cube. So the volume of one matchbox is 52.5 centimeter cube. Okay, question, in their question here they have asked volume of one packet which consists of 12 matchboxes. So volume of one packet consists of what? 12 matchboxes. So 12 into one matchbox order volume of 52.5. So it is 52.5. So you can multiply and get the answer. 52.5 into 12. So 10, 1, 5, 1, 10, okay, 0, 5, 2, 5. So it is 10, 1, 3, 6. So it is 63. 630. Okay, 630. Okay, the volume is 630 centimeter cube. So the volume of one packet which consists of 12 matchboxes is 630 centimeter cube. Okay, now let us go to the third problem. Third problem, what they have given? The length, breadth and height of a chocolate box are in the ratio 5:4:3. So they are given L is to B is to H is 5:4:3. Remember, whenever there is a ratio, what I told, you have to assume length as 5x, breadth as 4x, height as 3x. Okay, this is what we have to assume. If we assume it as a x part, means 5x part. Okay, so first thing that, then if its volume is 7500 centimeter cube, volume they have given as 7500 centimeter cube. Okay, we know this, since this is a cuboid, volume formula is what? L into B into H. So what is L? It is 5x. What is breadth? It is 4x. What is height? It is 3x, equal to 7500. So 5 into 4 is 20. 20 into 3 is 60. 60, x into x into x is x cube, equal to 7500. Okay, so this 0 will get cancelled. This 6, this 750 will be 125. So x cube is equal to 125. So x is nothing but cube root of 125, which is nothing but 5. We have found x as 5, but in the question what they have asked, find its dimension. So they have asked length. So x is 5, so 5x is 25 centimeter, because the volume they have given us centimeter cube, so the dimension will be in centimeter. Similarly, breadth will be 20 centimeter, then height will be 15 centimeter. So this is the answer for question number 3. Okay, next one, fourth question. The length, breadth and depth of a pond are given. Find the capacity in liters. You can remember, when we convert from meter cube to liters, we wrote something over there, right? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters we wrote. Okay, that you have to remember. Now let us see. Length they have given us 20.5 meters. Breadth they have given us 16 meters. Height they have given us 8 meters. So these are the things they have given. Volume of the pond, capacity they have asked us to find. For that we need to find volume. So volume is length into breadth into height. So 20.5 into 16 into 8. Okay. So we multiply these two. 5 into 8 is 40. 4 carry 16. So it is 164 into 16. 164 into 16 you have to multiply and find. 24, 2, 36, 38, 3, 6, 9, 0, 4, 6, 1, 4, 12, 1, 10, 16, 1, 2. So it is nothing but 2624 meter cube. 2624 meter cube. But question they have asked capacity. So we have to convert this capacity meter cube volume into liters. So we know 1 meter cube is equal to what? 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So capacity is equal to 2624 1000. So into 1000 it is this one. Okay, which is nothing but 26,24,000 liters. So the capacity of the pond is 26,24,000 liters. Okay. Now we will go to the fifth question. Now let us go to fifth question. The dimension of a brick are, so there is a brick. Okay, fifth question. Brick oda dimension. Brick oda dimension enna kuduthirukanga? 24 centimeter cross 12 centimeter cross 8 centimeter. So this is the dimension of the brick. Brick na enadhu sengaloda dimension kuduthirukanga. Next, how much such brick will be required to build a wall of 20 meter length, 48 centimeter breadth, 6 meter height? So wall oda idu kuduthanga. Wall vandu enna kuduthirukanga? 20 meters cross 48 centimeters cross 6 meters. So இந்த வாலை கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எத்தனை பிரிக் தேவை அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. வாட் வி ஆர் நோ, இதே மாதிரி ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் ப்ராப்ளம் பண்ணோம். என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் தெரியுமா? ஒரு பாக்ஸுக்குள்ளே எத்தனை ஸ்வீட் பாக்ஸ் வைக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம் தெரியுமா? அதே தான். வால் இருக்குது, வாலில் வந்து என்ன வரப்போகுது? ஆக்சுவலி பிரிக் தான் வரப்போகுது. ஸோ த வால் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி ஃபில்டு வித் பிரிக்ஸ். ஸோ இன் ஆர்டர் டு ஃபைண்ட் த நம்பர் ஆஃப் பிரிக்ஸ், நம்பர் ஆஃப் பிரிக்ஸுங்கிறத எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, வால்யூம் ஆஃப் த வால் divided by volume of brick. If we find that, we can arrive at the answer of number of bricks. Okay, so for that we need to find volume of wall and volume of brick. So what is the volume of wall? Volume of wall is equal to 24 into 12 into 8. That is length into breadth into height, right? What is the volume of wall? Sorry, this is brick, right? This is brick. Next, volume of wall. While finding the volume of wall, you have to note, here it is given as meter, here it is given as centimeter, here it is given as meter. See, this brick is constructed by mainly using centimeter. Centimeter la dhaan brick ellathiyum measurements irukku. பட் வாலில் ஒரே ஒரு மெஷர்மெண்ட் மட்டும்தான் சென்டிமீட்டரில் இருக்குது, மீதி ரெண்டு எதில் இருக்குது, மீட்டர்ஸில் இருக்குது. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணணும், we have to bring it to same unit. ஸோ மீட்டர்ஸை என்னவா மாற்ற போகிறோம், சென்டிமீட்டராக மாற்றுறோம். ஸோ ஹவு மச் சென்டிமீட்டர் இஸ் 1 மீட்டர், 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 20 into 100, breathe 20 meters. So 20 into 100 into 48 into 6 meters. So 6 into 100. Okay, so this is the volume. So we have to find number of bricks. Number of bricks. Don't multiply because we are going to divide, it will get cancelled. Okay, 20 into 100 into 48 into 6 into 100. Okay, so this is the volume of the wall divided by volume of brick. It is 24 into 12 into 8, right? See here, this 8, this 48 will get cancelled 6 times. Okay, and here 6 and 24 will get cancelled 4 times. This 6 and 12 will get cancelled 2 times. Okay, what is the remaining thing? This 4, this 20 will get 5 times. Is anything remaining? 6, 12 gets cancelled 4 times, 2 times. Okay, this 2 is there, right? This 2 is there. இதை என்ன பண்ணோம், இதையும் 50 times. Okay, this 2 and this 150. So remaining என்ன இருக்குது, ஒரு 5 இருக்குது, ஒரு 50 இருக்குது, ஒரு 100 இருக்குது. 5 into 50 is 250. 5 into 50 is 250. 250 into 100 is 2 0 add பண்ணிட வேண்டியதா. So the number of bricks required is 25,000. So the answer for this question is 25,000. What we did divide by the volume of wall divided by volume of bricks, because the wall is going to be filled with bricks. எல்லாமே பிரிக்காக இருக்கும்போது எத்தனை இருக்குங்கிறத கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா என்டையர் வாலோட வால்யூமை கண்டுபிடிச்சி டிவைடட் பை வால்யூம் ஆஃப் த பிரிக் பண்ணால் நமக்கு நம்பர் ஆஃப் பிரிக்ஸ் கிடச்சிரும். ஓகே, நவ் லெட் அஸ் கோ டு ப்ராப்ளம் நம்பர் 6. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, the volume of container is, okay, volume they have given us 1440 meter cube. 1440 meter cube. The length and breadth are given. Length வந்து என்ன கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, 15 meters. breadth என்ன கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, 8 meters. height என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, height என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, so see volume, see here length is different from breadth, so automatically it is a cuboid. So volume formula என்ன, length into breadth into height. volume எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 1440. length எவ்வளவு 15, breadth எவ்வளவு 8, height எவ்வளவு தெரியாது h. okay, now cancel. how to cancel, 3 times 5 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது 3 times 2 44 8 48. okay, now cancel this 3 24 48, so 36. okay, cancel this 3 and 36 12 times. So the height is nothing but 12 meters. The height is 12 meter. It is simple substitution. okay, it is an easy problem. okay, 7th one you have already done as homework. Now we'll go to 8th problem. okay, 8th problem. 8th problem la enna kuduthirukanga, a cubical milk tank can hold 1,25,000 liters. so capacity kuduthirukanga, volume kudukala, capacity evlo kuduthirukanga, 1,25,000 liters. okay, 1,25,000 liters. லிட்டர்ஸில் இருந்து மீட்டர் கியூப் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸே ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தோம். ஓகே, when you convert from liters to meter cube, we have to divide by 1000. correct, we have to divide by 1000. so 1,25,000 divided by 1000 அப்படி பண்ணும்போது இந்த 30 கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். so the volume is 125 meter cube. okay, volume is 125 meter cube. அடுத்து கொஸ்டினில் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்தோன்னே என்ன வேர்டுன்னு பாருங்க, a cubical milk tank. so it is of the shape cube. cube shape la irukku. cube oda volume enadhu? What is the volume of cube? It is a cube. So a cube is equal to 125. So a is equal to cube root of 125, which is 5 meters. So the cube or side வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? 5 meters இருக்கும். So questionல என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? Find the length of its side in meters. So the length of the side is 5 meters. Okay. So this is also very easy. Let us go to the 9th problem. Okay, this also you do as homework. I'll give you the hint. Last example இதுவும் ஒரே தான். What we need to remember, melt பண்ணும்போது volumes will remain the same. அதை மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Questionல என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க. A metallic cube with side 15 cm. Cube இருக்கு. Cube ஓட side which is A, they are given as 15 cm. Okay, is melted and formed into a cuboid. இதை மெல்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு cuboid ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறாங்க. If the length and height of the cuboid, இது cuboidோட என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, லென்த் எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 25 cm, height எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 9 cm. They have asked us to find the breadth of the cuboid. What we need to remember, volume of cube is equal to volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. What is the formula here? A cube. What is the formula here? L into B into H. You have to substitute and you have to find the value of breadth. Okay. So with this the exercise 7.3 gets over and chapter 7 also gets over. Okay. In the next after half yearly we will start the remaining 3 chapters. What are the remaining 3 chapters? Statistics is there, probability is there, and from geometry which we left earlier is also there. Okay, I hope you understood today's video. Prepare well for your half yearly exam. If you have any doubt, you can discuss during the evening online class. Okay, try to practice all those problems so that you can get thorough in this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.